All right, here we go. We got section 8.2 where we are going to be talking about special right triangles. So there are certain right triangles that have properties that allow their side lengths to be determined without using the Pythagorean theorem. So one of the big ones is the 45-45-90 triangle theorem. And so if we've got a 45-45-90 triangle, so notice this is a right triangle here. Both of these other angles are 45 degrees. So what this means is that both of these legs are going to end up being congruent. So that means that they have the same measure, and the length of the hypotenuse is going to be square root of 2 times larger than the leg. And so what you would basically do is if I knew that the leg was 6, well, if this one was 6 and that one was 6, this would be 6 times the square root of 2. So there are really two ways that we can use this equation here. This hypotenuse equals the square root of 2 times the leg. Say I didn't know the hypotenuse, and that's what I'm trying to solve for. If I had the leg, say the leg length was 6 like we had before, I could go ahead and find out that the hypotenuse is equal to 6 times the square root of 2, just by using that right there. Something else that could happen is, what if I knew my hypotenuse, say my hypotenuse was 10, and I was trying to solve for my leg? Well, I can just use this equation also, just divide by the square root of 2. It's going to require a little bit more work, because we've got the 10 divided by the square root of 2 is equal to our leg. Well, I can't leave the square root of 2 in the denominator, so I have to multiply by the square root of 2 over square root of 2. And you get 10 square root of 2 over 2 for my leg. Well, this is 5 square root of 2. That is my leg length. So you can use it both ways to find both the hypotenuse and the leg.